Very good morning to all of you all. My dear friends, I am Dr. Yusuf Junawala. I have done my MBS in periodontics and preventive dentistry. I am basically a pediatric dentist or a child specialist dentist. Now, children's teeth are very important. Okay, children generally have 20 milk teeth, and once they become adults, the milk teeth fall down, and we have 32 permanent teeth. Now, as far as the milk teeth are concerned, they are very important. The most important function of milk teeth is mastication. You cannot enjoy your food without teeth. The teeth are of greatest importance as far as eating is concerned. If your teeth are not good, you will not be able to chew properly, and if you are not able to chew properly, most of the children will just gulp down their food, and as a result of which all the nutrients that which a child should be receiving, he will not be able to receive. And many kids shy away from food if their teeth are paining. The second importance of milk teeth is for the aesthetics. Everybody wants to look good, even the kids. So if the child loses his teeth earlier, or there are black spots on it, they do not look good, and when they smile, they really don't look good. So milk teeth are very important for the aesthetics. The third important function of milk teeth is phonetics, that is speech. Teeth play a very important role in development of speech. So if the child loses his teeth or loses his teeth due to caries, what happens is a lot of gaps are created, and this genuinely hampers speech. Last and not the least, the other important function of milk teeth is that they assist in growth and development. Absence of teeth does hamper the normal process of growth and development. Now, how do we take care of these special pearls of ours? Okay, the basic rule everybody knows that we have to avoid sugar. Sugar in all forms is dangerous for the teeth, but we will not. The basic starts with the infant oral care. The moment the child is born, okay, we should start cleaning the gum pads which are available and his tongue, because even milk should not retain in the oral cavity for a long time. Once the teeth start erupting, there are special brushes which are available for infants and very young kids. They are called as the finger brushes. So you can use a finger brush to clean the child's teeth, and you can use a small piece of gauze to clean the child's teeth. And we should always remember that milk, especially in the lactating mothers, milk also can cause a lot of cavities. So whenever the child is being given a feed, after the feed, it is mandatory for the mother to clean the child's mouth. But what happens the moment she tries to clean the child's mouth, the child starts crying again. So the process never ends. So in such situations, what you are supposed to do is that after every feed, you should just pick up and keep the child on your shoulder for a moment, tap it for a minute or two. In 3 to 4 minutes, a majority of the milk will trickle down the throat, and hardly any amount of milk will remain in the oral cavity. Now, many a times it so happens that the mother is unable to breastfeed the child. In such situation, the mother starts giving the child bottle feeds. So one thing you have to remember, that whenever the child is bottle fed, you should not add any sugar in it. And remember one thing, that if the child is feeding on a bottle, see to it that after a particular period of time, when you know that now the child's feed is almost getting over, you should immediately put a bottle filled with water. So what happens is the water tends to cleanse all the milk that remains in the mouth. The other major cause of cavities in children is, chocolate, cold drinks, sugars, mithais, everybody knows, but children do tend to consume a lot of syrups. Many basic syrups do contain a lot of flavoring agent, and plus these syrups are retained in the oral cavity. So what you should always do, that after you have given any syrups or medications to the child, you should give him a little bit of water and try to clean his teeth post giving the syrup. Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time.